Here, part two right after that last episode. If you didn't watch it, I got two cats. Oh, there he is. He scared me. Oh, I just realized I could take these guys' beds. You're coming with me, cats. We're going home. As I said last time, I'm going to make some adult humor jokes. Ooh, there's down here. Yeah. Be careful. Ooh, I need a bell, so I'm going to grab a bell. Another cat! Don't. Hey, what do you have? Dude, why? Oh, God. Where'd my other cat go? I want a gray one. Oh, baby cat. Come here. I need you. Actually, I guess I could just get them to have a baby cat. Iron Golem. Cool. Cool, cool. Cool, 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 cool. I know that you're tired, but we're going to keep on going. Come on in, guys. It's a wet kitty. I just saved me a bunch of comments for that. Where'd the other cat go? Stop it. Don't do this to me, please. No, stop. Oh, there he is. I'm going to take your leads. Give me these. So is the Iron Golem going to come after me, or is it just kind of like... Hi, Guild. Hi, guy. Hello, my dude. Hey, what's in here? We know that you're tired. Oh, ooh. Every time I regret not taking that, so I'm going to take it this time. Hey, yo, what you got for me? Don't touch me. What? No, it can't touch me. Alright, cats, we're going home. Are you ready to come to Canada? Come to Canada. Wait, did I search this? No, I didn't. Double tall grass, I'll take that. Can't touch it. I want to sleep there, but I'll just respawn there then. And I have keep inventory. Don't do it. Okay, they teleported to me. Oh, as soon as I take my sight off them, I'm worried. Wait, if I die, won't they just teleport? Oh, it's a little kitty. Well, I'm not taking that risk, so come on, kitty cats. That's just lava, I know it. So I know I'm in the desert, so I should be close to my house. Okay, come on, cats. I still don't know what to name them. Run, little cats, run. Oh, they're so cute. I don't care if it's pixels. Whoa. Oh, the leg. I feel like from the movie Holes, just walking through the desert. Stanley Yale Nance. My name is Mr. Sir. Get out of here. Don't touch the cactus. Oh, Jesus. Stop, you're scaring me. Your papa. Wait. Santa's Falls. I even just saw it. It should have fell. It should have caved in that hole. See, like right there, it should cave in. I don't know what's going on. Wait, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Never touch a cactus. Boom. I'm gonna try and I'm only gonna do that once. Cause I have a bed. What is that? So looks like it's just something from the sand. I've seen my Minecraft days, and that's a well. Why is there a well out in the middle of nowhere? Oh God. Yes, you're gonna comment it's a wet kitty if I don't say, get out of here, fly. You're not welcome. No one likes you. You don't have any friends. See, watch this. I bet you, it's a well, see? No. No, eat. Never do that again. Don't stop. No. We're never speaking of this again. You were gonna sit in my house. I don't care what you think. Oh, jeez, these cats. Like I said in my last thing, if anything happens to any of these cats, Minecraft is over. No more Minecraft. Finding new games. Okay. Oh, I know this place. Okay. Weather. This is a family of wild alpacas. Actually, no, those are llamas. Because alpacas have like a big bushy head. That big bush on their hair. I think I know this area. In Sublime Deep. He will come and get you. When you sleep. You're gonna sleep. And you come. Wait, I guess I was gonna say, ooh, I can make a bed. I have a sheep. Wait, I was like, oh no, I already have a bed. Whoa, these guys are fast. I'm gonna do. Hey, it's Chester. If you don't remember him from my last videos. Chester is one of your spies. Actually, no. Cheese Balls. If you don't know who Cheese Balls is the thief. He stole my friend's cheese balls, so we call him Evil Cheese Balls. Cheese Balls is now spying on me in Minecraft. Oh yeah, Paul, if you're watching this is not cringy. One of my subscribers is Paul. It's weird I'm just him the screen now. Whee! Yeah. Stop the leg. Stop it. I don't like you, leg. Where is my house? I might have to just kill myself. Come on, cat. Unless I can't find my house. Oh, there it is. It's another wet kitty. Oh yeah, and I have to get that cow's whole family now, so. Boom. The cow is calling. I don't care about software update. Zipline. Oh, it's that thing again. The village is literally just right over there. Ooh, it's a landmark. I know it is from here. Keep going, then you'll see that island with the castle on it, or whatever. You should see it. Into the water. No, don't. They're lucky. And cats always land on their feet. My brother told me that was a myth before, so. Okay. Okay. In Sublime Deep, you have this. I literally just have a microphone. I realized in my old, like in some of my videos, it's like, oh, I talk, oh, I think I should be good now. I gain a little bit. And then what, next time I rewatch my videos, why am I talking so quiet? And is this the village? It's, of course it is. It's the village again. Oh yeah. Here, I'll deal with you guys later. Actually, I'll deal with one of you now. No, I'm not gonna deal with it. Come on. Come on, cats. Here, I'm gonna go put up a fight with the Iron Golem. Hey, Golem! Go! Golem! Hey, guess what? Look at me! I'm gonna go hit a villager. Right there. Then he should attack me. Golem, now you wanna fight? This guy to fight me. How many people do I have to hit to do this? I swear, I'll take out this whole village if I have to. People. Maybe we have to do it right in front of him. Oh, no. Hi. You didn't need to see that. Oh, I gotta end this. See you guys later.